And now we're going to see how we can mint a fee token on DxSale. So of course, first of all, we go to dx.app. Up here, we can see that my wallet is already connected. Let's just disconnect it so I can show you. You would see a connect wallet button. Click on it, choose your wallet, and then click on the wallet. If this is the first time that you are connecting to dx.app, you will get a pop-up window from the wallet asking you to confirm that you indeed want to connect. So click OK, click proceed, and once you're connected, come here to the top left, go to create DX Mint, and now you are on the page where you can mint your own token. So there are obviously other tutorials that we have made as far as the other 3 types of tokens that you can mint, but today we're looking at fee token. So the steps are, first of all, choose the network. In my case, I have already chosen the Ethereum testnet Sepolia, but if you want to choose one of the more than 20 networks or blockchains that we support, that's where you can do it here. Then choose a token type. As we mentioned, we are going to mint a fee token, and as you select it, you can see some of the features of the fee token that are here. So obviously, as you can see, you can customize the fees or tax to reward your holders with. You can customize the fees or taxes that go into liquidity, and you can also choose a tax or fee for the transaction to go into the developer wallet. And of course, this generates reflections. So both for the holders and the developer, they will get more of the same token. The liquidity instead will be swapped automatically and sent as liquidity to the DEX that you have chosen. And of course, you can also change these taxes later on in the Manage Your Token dashboard, and we will be able to see that later. So step number 3, let's enter the token information. So we can do test fee pip token symbol. We can do TFP, but it could be anything. Just think of something that is easy to remember. Token decimals, I don't need too many, so let's go 9. Token supply, I'll go 1 million, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here we come to step number 4, specify token fees or tax. Now this is in percentage. So every transaction that takes place, how much in percentage of that transaction do you want as tax for when people, for example, buy? So let's do a 1% because I want people to be encouraged to buy. But when they sell, I want to tax more. So let's go 4%. And the same thing for the liquidity. So 1%, 4%. And then for the developer, let's do a straight 2%. And of course, I need to add the address where I want this 2% sent. So remember here, whenever they buy, there will be a tax of 1% for reflection, 1% for liquidity, and always 2%. So when they buy, now they will have a 4% tax. When they sell, they will have 4% for reflection sell fee, 4% for liquidity sell fee, 2% for developer fee. So when they sell, the tax will be 10%. So these will should encourage people to buy and then to hold, because they're getting reflections and also it's more expensive to sell. Now here we select the DEX that we choose, because remember, as far as this liquidity, it's sent into reflections, but then the liquidity is swapped automatically at Uniswap, and the contract does everything on its own automatically. You don't need to do anything. And if you have a referral code, please put it here. Now once we checked everything seems to be fine. We just click on mint fee token. Of course, it doesn't like the address because I put a space. Let's try again, mint fee token. Now MetaMask will ask me to authorize the transaction or confirm it. That's fine. And I will just have to wait a few seconds for the transaction to be confirmed on Sepolia network. And once that's confirmed, as you can see, the TFP token was successfully minted. If you click here, you can see the transaction. We don't need to do that, but you can if you want to. And now we are on the Manage Your Token dashboard. So this is where you can get a little bit of information about the token itself. So obviously you can see the name, the symbol, the total supply, the token address on the blockchain. And if you click here, it will actually go to the scan or scanner and see the token itself. And here now you see the fees or taxes that are enabled now. Okay, so all the taxes that we set before are here. Now here we can actually change those taxes if you wanted to. So let's say that you wanted a very high sell tax at the start to make sure that people don't sell the first few days. Maybe you put these higher, and now you want to change it. You just come and change it here. You can even change the reward address for the developer fee. Also, you can disable the swap and liquefy, and as you can see here, this is important when withdrawing on transferring liquidity, also if you're running a pre-sale. And you can do that from here. There's no need to go to Etherscan. And also from here, you can exclude the address from fee and rewards. And again, you would want to put your pre-sale address here and then click exclude. That makes sure that the tokens that you send to the pre-sale address and the tokens that the investors are buying are not taxed with the tax that you have chosen up there. And you can also change the ownership of the token. Put the new address here, click change, and someone else or another wallet will own the token. And here is where you can renounce ownership if that's what you want to do. Just be very careful when you do that. Think about it carefully, because as our information says here, once you renounce ownership, you cannot change anything anymore. So if you do that, there's nothing that you can do about the smart contract. And finally, if this is all looking good and you want to raise funds, you want to create a pre-sale or a private sale for the token, just click here, create a sale, and it will automatically upload for you or populate. Now let's pretend that I close this and now I don't know where it is anymore. Very simple to find it again. Go up here, main icon, my dashboard, and this is where you can see everything that is connected or you have made using your wallet that is connected here. So tokens, locks, sales. And as you can see, this is the last token that I have minted, the address on the blockchain. This is actually quite good. This is the DX Mint certificate. If you click on there, and you can share it as well with your community, you can show everyone that the token was minted on DX. Our tokens have already been minted, have already been audited. So if you have minted it here, you can be sure that the token and the contract is safe. And then of course, if you want to manage that token, just click here and you will go back to the Manage Your Token dashboard. This is how easy it is to make a fee token on DxSale.